tired of having frizzy curls, frizzy hair, undefined curls, no volume, no bounce, nothing, because that was literally me.
Literally.
My hair was frizzy, undefined, basically had like no volume to it. In this video, I'm gonna go over how I fix that, my new curly hair routine, and I promise you guys are going to love it. There's a lot of good gems in here. I will go over all of the products that I use, all the utensils that I use, and everything will again be linked down below in the description box. Now, before we get into it, we all know everyone's hair is different. Everyone has different curl patterns. Everyone's texture is different. So I have kind of learned what works for me. I've watched different girls. I've tried different things. I kind of take bits and pieces and make it my own, mix them together. This is what I've come up with. So with that being said, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, show some love, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell notification. Let's get into it. Okay, so first thing that I did when I got out the shower this morning was put it in 2 braids because I knew that I was going to do my makeup and get dressed. Plus, when I braid my hair while I'm getting ready, when it gets to the time that I need to do my hair's like detangled and it's easier to handle. So first things first, I part it into 2 sections. Just do like a half up, half down type thing. Part my hair. I'm just gonna take a clip and clip that. I just kind of part the back in 2, and I'm sure it's not even, but that's okay. So I'm just going to spray bottle doesn't want to work. Okay, I pretty much like my hair to be damped when I'm applying my product, just because I feel like it goes on better, and plus you're preventing any frizz. Leave-in conditioner, and I use Curls by Blueberry Bliss. It looks like this. All the products that I use in this video will be linked down below in the description. I'm gonna take like that much. I like to do a good amount of leave-in conditioner. It helps with your hair not getting tangled. It makes everything else go on smoothly. So my favorite is my go-to.
The holy freaking grail
is the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. Y'all, like hair crack. I freaking love this. And it smells so good. Okay, so now that I have that on, I go ahead and take my Denman brush here, brush it outward. And this helps with giving you more body. You don't want to brush downward because then your hair is going to be like straight and flat and you're not gonna have any body. So when you do this, sometimes I will section it, break it up into different sections, brush it like that, and then get the bottom. As you can see, it just forms super cute curls, and then I kind of just like dangle it like that so it breaks up a little bit so they're not as clumped. Then I'm gonna go in with my mousse. Now some people use gel, some people use mousse. Gel, I haven't found a gel that I really like, so I've been using mousse by Tresemme, and it is the Extra Firm Control. So it looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see because it's kind of light. Anyway, yeah, I put about like this much, not too much, and I kind of go in and I scrunch I put it on my hair, but then I go back and I scrunch it, and this really just helps with like holding my curl. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and scrunch all the way. So yeah, okay, so now I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on this side. Also, when you do your hair in sections, this just helps with, like I said earlier, giving you more body. It also helps with your hair not being as frizzy because you're getting product on every part of your hair. And also, it just helps them to be more defined. Okay, let's keep going. the bottom half is done, we can go ahead and go to the top. Okay, so my top half is going to use a little bit more TLC than the bottom, just because the front is always going to be more defined, bigger, less frizzy. So that's why it just needs a little more tender love and care. So the middle part is going to go back up. So I'm going to be looking crazy for a little bit. So before I scrunch my hair, I literally just take that part and I go in and just individually twirl my hair. It will get frizzy, like over time. What is going on here? Okay. You want your front curls to be the best. I kind of just give them a little TLC. I do put a fair share of mousse on my hair just because I like the finish that it gives. That's why you see me putting so much on my hair. And my curls in the front are way looser than my curls in the back, so I definitely do a lot more scrunching in the front just so it can match my curls in the back. You know, curly hair has a mind of its own, so they do their own thing. All right, so in my rice water video that I had posted, I talked about how it helped with my fallout and like shedding of my hair. And this is how much has came out so far. That's like a huge difference from what my hair used to do. I would have like strands coming out. So I would definitely recommend you guys watch that rice water video. It helps with shedding, it helps with your hair growing, it getting thicker, and just feeling like healthy. So I will definitely link that in the description down below. This is where I like a lot of volume. So part it in half. Plus my hair in the back seems to be drier than in the front. See, you can see like the curl pattern is totally different. Like my hair in the back just doesn't curl the same. I have to put like extra product back there so it can curl. Now my hair, as you can see, is a mix between 3B and 3C. Comment down below what kind of hair you have, if it's super curly, more coily, more wavy, is it more straight? Let me know down below, and what products that you guys like to use. And I'm kind of curving the brush, almost like how you would take a curling iron to curl your hair. That's exactly what we're doing. So I'll like show you from the side. So I'm taking it, and then once I get to the root, I'm kind of turning it all the way down to get those curls. So I kind of just let it fall the way it falls, and then once I diffuse it, that's when I kind of shape it and put it into place and how I want it. This is the diffuser that I use. Off the top of my head, I don't remember where I got it from because I've had this for a long time, but I will link it down below. This works so good. It's just like your regular blow dryer. It has the different options for heat and speed. That's pretty much it. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. I just ran to like 3 different bathrooms to try to find this. Okay, I gotta start exercising. This is sad. When I do this, I usually put the heat on high, and I put the speed on high. So yeah. Now, me personally, I like a little frizz. I don't like my hair to be super defined. I know not a lot of people are like that. Kind of just pull it apart and play in it. And the more you play in your hair, the bigger it will get. Now, given that this is day one, my hair obviously isn't going to be that big. But the more I play in it, it will be much bigger. This is where the pick comes in. So I'm going to take this and really just go on my roots. Alright, so the last thing that I do is spray the argan oil onto my hair. This just adds like a little extra oil. And I love this because it's super lightweight, but it gives your hair a lot of shine. And it makes it look so good. So I'm just going to, you know, spray this all over my hair. Make sure I get the back. And then afterwards, I kind of just play in it a little more to rub it in. We've got lots of movement. Everything is super defined. I will obviously play in my hair more because I like it a little bit frizzy. So I'll kind of, you know, play in it, shake it up the rest of the day. But if you want more volume after you have diffused your hair, a good thing to do is put your hair in a pineapple for a little bit, and that'll add extra volume up top. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how it came out, and I'm super, super happy about it. All right, you guys, so that pretty much sums up my curly hair routine. Hopefully this helps you get amazing frizz-free defined curls. This has worked so well for me, and I'm just happy that I was able to share it with you guys. Don't forget, all the products that I use will be linked down below. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and please subscribe and hit that bell notification. Be blessed, guys.